If you were looking to buy a new Galaxy device, then it might be a great news for you. Not too long ago, there was a supposed price leak out of South Korea that detailed the prices for the Samsung Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra in their domestic market. The alleged prices showed from plus 10% to almost plus 20% price increases for the upcoming 2023 Samsung flagship smartphones, which indicated a potential US pricing of around $899, $1,099, and $1,299 for the entry-level S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra models respectively. But a new Galaxy S23 rumor, which purportedly comes out of the Korean tech corporation, suggests a customer-friendly price revision has taken place. The biggest loser is the Samsung Galaxy S23, which has reportedly had its price increase revised down by 14.29%. The new Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus figure is down 9.09%, while the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra price increase has been chopped by just 4.34%. According to the source, the price revisions have been made to counter the not well-received earlier Galaxy S23 price increases. Of course, prices are subject to change. However, these new alleged amounts actually offer credibility to a recent Galaxy S23 US price leak. Supposed data sheets from Verizon revealed US prices starting at $799, $999, and $1,199 for the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra, respectively. These are clearly less expensive than the estimates that were made based on the previous South Korean price leak, and they do tie in quite well with this current alleged price revision, with the 2023 premium phones from Samsung now coming in at the same price points as the Galaxy S22 series. While many Samsung Galaxy S23 price leaks of late have hinted at price hikes spreading across the globe for all markets, it looks like customers in the US may enjoy the same S23 launch prices as the respective members of the Galaxy S22 series. Meanwhile, as we know that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will come equipped with a new 200 megapixels camera. This sensor, the ISOCELL AP2, has a physical size of 1/3, falling short of a Type 1-inch sensor like the IMX 989 on phones like the Vivo X90 Pro and Xiaomi 13 Pro. Apparently, Samsung has a reason for that decision. According to Ice Universe, Samsung's decision to equip the Galaxy S23 Ultra with a 1/3 sensor like the HP2 boils down to design constraints. Even though it offers a resolution of 200 megapixels, the S23 Ultra's HP2 is hardly any bigger than the 108 megapixels M3 on last year's Galaxy S22 Ultra. Going by the leaker's post, opting for a larger Type 1-inch sensor would increase the thickness of the Galaxy S23 Ultra by a margin Samsung wouldn't tolerate, at the same time also affecting inner structure design. Instead, however, Samsung is said to be more willing to work with the 1/3-inch size, while improving sensor performance in other ways. Inevitably, though some may lean towards writing this off as corporate excuses for cost-cutting, it's not entirely baseless. Phones with Type 1-inch sensors are consistently thicker, it seems. It becomes a debate of compromises and one unlikely to ever be anything but subjective. So, what are your expectations from Samsung's upcoming S23 lineup? Let us know it down in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.